Hello guys, today I'm gonna eat this yummy cookies and cream rabbit. Cookies and cream is Oreos is cookies and cream. And Oreos is my favorite cookie, so I love everything Oreo. Except things made shaped like an Oreo with things I don't like. Pizza Oreo. That sounds good. So I ate a little. I ate like this much of it because my mom had a humongous bite. This is so good designed. Get more in the light so you can see me better. Hmm. When I grow up, you might see me at the casino. Not gambling. One, looking at my work. I'm gonna crack my tooth on this. The only reason why I might be at the casino when I'm older is meeting friends or meeting people for stuff or anything. Meeting people or playing games. On my phone. I'll just go there for a waiting spot. Because I like music. And it's kind of noisy over there. I can't finish that whole rabbit. I'll give an egg to you guys. Just kidding. You can't eat after me. You sit. Plus germs. Drinking water. You mean to the utility room? Oh, I can't eat anymore. Oh no! Oh, I got hit by the fridge. Sorry. Excuse no one, because no one burped. That was just me making grunt sounds. I'll do a lot since no one could burp a lot in one same time. But one time when I burped, there was like music. Like burp, 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 burp. trade Reese's Pieces for a pizza. Or I'll trade it for carrots. I put this in my nose. I'm drinking carbon dioxide. Water does not enter your lungs, so carbon dioxide cannot enter your lungs. If you drink it, and I just see that. Well, this is where it goes to the stomach. This is where it goes to the lungs. And not one day in my life without eating. I'll make a day. If I can go 1 month, well, at least 29 days, because if I go 30, I'll die. If I go 30 days without eating, you have to give me $1 million. We'll finish for my laptop, which will only be not even a third of the money. Then the rest goes to charity. Bye. See you guys later.